we're going to be doing scale drawing, or finding the scale between two proportional objects, which is actually a very similar idea to finding the missing side to a similar shape. Again, we're going to be using proportions today. So first off, a scale drawing is a proportional two-dimensional drawing of an object. Scale drawings can represent objects that are smaller or larger than the actual object. So generally when you use a scale drawing, so let's say when you have a blueprint of a house is a scale drawing of the actual house, but it's scaled down. Or if you ever have a model car, that's a scale drawing of an actual car. So a scale is a ratio between two sets of measurements. It shows how dimensions in a scale drawing is related to the actual object. So scales are usually shown as two numbers separated by a colon, such as 1/20th or 1 centimeter to 1 meter. These can be written as 1/20 or 1 centimeter over 1 meter. Scales can be shown in the same unit or in different units. So let's look at our first example. The art class is planning to paint a mural on an outside wall. This figure is a scale drawing of the wall. What's the area of the actual wall? Okay, so what we need to do is basically we need to convert the 28 inches and 11 inches to feet to be able to find the actual dimensions of the mural. Well, right here is my ratio. They say for every 2 inches, it is 3 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this ratio and create a proportion using our sides. So the first one I'm going to change is 28 inches. We're going to change 28 inches. 28 inches will go on top because it's inches versus inches, and x will go on the bottom. So here, again, we cross multiply. You're going to do 28 times 3, which I believe is 54. And then you're going to divide it by 2. Is it 54? Nope, that's not 54. Excuse me, that's 84. I went backwards. So then you're going to divide 84 by 2. 2 goes in 84, 42 times. So now I'm going to cross this out, and you're going to write a 42. And this is now 42 feet. The reason why you cross it out is it shows you that you're now done with that dimension. So now you just have to move on to the next one. So we're going to move on to the next one. You're going to again have 2 over 3, 2 inches over 3 feet is then equal to 11 inches over x. And you're going to cross multiply. So you're going to do 11 times 3, which is 33. 2 times x, which is 2x. And then you're going to divide by 2, which comes out to 16.5. So x is equal to 16.5. So again, you're going to cross out this 11 inches, and you're going to write 16.5 feet. Well, we're not done yet technically. What this is asking for is the area of the actual wall. Well, how do I find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. So now since we now have the new length and the new width, we just multiply them together. So let me erase this, make that look a little bit better. This was 16.5 feet. So all we have to do is just multiply them together. So we're going to do 16.5 times 42. Where's my pen? It's dying. So that'd be 10. Let me plug in my tablet real quick, guys. It died on me. Here we go. Plug this in. There we go. Okay. So you're going to do 16.5 times 42 to find the area of the actual figure. Since we can find the area of the actual figure is because we found the actual dimensions of the figure. Move my decimal once. And I believe this is supposed to be a 3. Yep, forgot to carry the 1. 693 feet squared. So my actual area of the wall will be 693 feet squared. Remember, whenever you find area, it's squared. Okay, let's try another example. So it says, find the length and the width of the actual room shown in the scale drawing. Then find the area of the actual room. So again, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to have to change these dimensions to feet. Using the ratio for every 3 inches, it is 8 feet. So the first one we're going to change is 6.5. So you're going to put 6.5 on top because it's inches as well. So you're going to do 6.5 times 8. And 6.5 times 8 is 52. And then 3 times x is just 3x. So then you're going to divide 3 to both sides. And you divide 3 into 52, which is 17.3 repeating. So let's just say 17.3. So then you're going to do the same thing to 5 inches. So you're going to have 3 eighths. So 3 inches for every 8 feet is equal to 5 inches over x. So 5 times 8 is 40. 3 times x is 3x. So you're going to divide 3 into 40, which comes out to 13.3. Well, now I do see both my answers right here. So these are both my answers. I got 17.3 and 13.3. But the thing is, though, that's not what it's asking for. It's asking for the area of the actual room. So again, let me erase it so I can have some room. So we're going to multiply both of my new lengths. So my new length is 17.3 times 13.3 to find my new area. Move my decimal twice. I think I did something wrong. Oh, yeah. So let me just say it's about 230. Because if you multiply 17.3 repeating times 13.3 repeating on a calculator, you get 230.67 repeating. But when you just do it by hand, you get, I believe you do get this. It is early in the morning, though. I can't make mistakes. No, I am correct. You get 230. So I'm going to change this answer today, and let's just say round it to the nearest whole number. So it'll be 230. Okay? Okay, let's try one more. The drawing plan for an art studio shows a rectangle that's 13.2 inches by 6.6 inches. The scale is 3 inches by 5 feet. Find the length and the width of the actual studio, and then find the area. So again, let me draw a picture. This is 6 inches by 13.2 with a ratio of 3 inches for 5 feet. So 3 inches for every 5 feet. We're going to take 6 inches. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times x is 3x. Divide by 3. You get 10 is equal to x. So I do see my answer there, but that's not it. It's asking for the area. So I know that's one of my new links. So let's try the next one. So then, again, you're going to have 3 inches over 5 feet is equal to 13.2 inches over x. So you're going to do 13.2 times 5, which is 66. And then 3 times x, which is just 3x. So then you divide by 3, and you get 22 is equal to x. Again, look, there's my other dimension, but not my answer. My final answer is actually taking those dimensions and finding the area. Well, again, since it's a rectangle, all you have to do is length times width. So you're going to do 22 times 10, which is just 220 feet squared. Meaning my answer, where is my thing? Right there, is D, 220. All right. Again, this is a very short, simple, basic lesson because it's generally the same idea we've been doing. Use proportions to find the new measurement, and then the last step is just usually find the area. But again, proportions. I cannot just stress you enough on how important proportions are. Okay, hopefully this goes well today. Please watch the video. Get your homework done. It's due tomorrow, Tuesday, October 31st. Okay.